In-office whitening treatments are quick cosmetic procedures that enhance and lighten your teeth with light-activated bleaching agents. This procedure first involves assessing the current shade or color of your teeth, then thoroughly cleaning them in preparation for the whitening process. Your gums are then covered in a flexible sheet or dam with a plastic frame to isolate your teeth for the procedure. Once isolated, your teeth are treated with a layer of gel containing hydrogen peroxide, which is activated with a blue light source that is placed directly onto the front of your teeth. The reaction of the light on the gel causes the breakdown of the colored compounds that have stained the teeth. Brushing, flossing, and occasional touch-ups at home will help maintain the brightness and lightness of your smile.